Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy options on Webull desktop. First, open the Webull desktop application and navigate to the stock you wish to trade options on. Locate the Options tab, usually found near the stock chart. This tab will display the options chain, showing various expiration dates and strike prices. It's crucial to have options trading approval on your account before proceeding. Ensure you understand the risks involved with options. Once you're in the options chain, you'll see a list of expiration dates. Click on one to expand the chain and view available strike prices. Calls are typically on one side, puts on the other. Decide if you want to buy a call, betting the stock price will rise, or a put, betting it will fall. Look at the volume and open interest to gauge liquidity, aiming for contracts with good activity. After selecting your desired call or put contract, click on it to bring up the order entry panel. Here, you'll specify your order type, such as a limit order for better price control or a market order for immediate execution. Enter the number of contracts you wish to buy. Review the total cost and ensure it fits your trading plan. Double-check all parameters before hitting the Buy button. After placing your order, monitor your position closely in the Positions tab. You can set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses or take profit orders to secure gains automatically. Remember, options contracts have an expiration date, so be mindful of time decay. When you're ready to close a position, simply click on it and select Sell to close. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.